Additive manufacturing is predicted to revolutionize the way we produce things. It has already disrupted some supply chain and is increasingly used in commercial products. However, some problems are slowing down its widespread adoption. A major issue is that the complete value chain, from an industrial perspective, is digitally fragmented, unconnected, and incomplete with low accessibility to part and process information. This hinders the quality control and traceability capabilities that are needed to fully unlock its potential. One way to solve this issue is to look at the data generated during the process. Each printed part can create up to 100 gigabytes of data between the design, process, and post-processing. Too often, this data is sitting on a hard drive and is never used. DIGIQUAM is a digital platform for additive manufacturing that enables the collection and analysis of data along the whole value chain. It builds a digital thread that links every step together: design, process, post-processing. This creates feedback loop that can be used to better understand and improve the process. The platform can be connected to a 3D printer or used as a standalone to perform real-time or batch analysis. After a year of development, it is featuring live process monitoring and state-of-the-art machine learning algorithm for process optimization and defect detection. The live monitoring is used in parallel with a machine learning algorithm that can predict in real time the probability of powder default. The quality control algorithm compares every printed layer to its CAD model, providing information on potential deviation and a 3D visualization of the printed part. For the next phase of the project, the post-processing data involving heat and heap treatment will be used to predict if a defect detected during printing can be removed by this post-processing operation. By developing a digital platform collecting data and enabling analysis of the whole AM value chain, DIGIQUAM is bringing to the market a solution offering a new capability in terms of analytics, quality control, traceability, process and post-process optimization. Using the power of big data analytics and artificial intelligence, DIGIQUAM gets us closer to the first part right approach, where a part can be ready for commercialization after only one print. This will lead to a wider adoption of additive manufacturing technology by industries and open new research opportunities.